Cases of avian flu are quickly spreading in the Hoosier State. The Indiana State Board of Animal Health is closely monitoring the spread. More than 220,000 birds have been affected by the virus. That's spread out in 16 different farms in 7 counties. It's impacting farms right here in the Wabash Valley. Davies County had an outbreak on December the 11th. A farm in Martin County was at risk of being infected, but no birds tested positive. News 10's Madison Zaleski tells us more about what the agriculture industry is doing to keep poultry healthy.
Rondrell, this virus has spread to over 47 states and it continues to grow. Indiana is the leading producer of poultry. I spoke to the Indiana State Poultry Association about how they plan to keep our food supply safe. In 2016, the U.S. Department of Agriculture confirmed cases of highly pathogenic avian influenza in Indiana. There hasn't been another outbreak in the state until this year. This flu isn't just affecting turkeys, it's affecting many wild birds as well as backyard and commercial flocks. They can spread the disease to new areas as they migrate.
The strain of the virus is not discriminating. As they migrate, that's really how the virus moves, how it gets introduced into commercial poultry operations.
If highly pathogenic avian influenza is detected, it can potentially expose domestic poultry to the virus. To keep the poultry healthy, Indiana has a team with multiple organizations to detect for the virus. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, APHIS Wild Bird Surveillance Program helps provide an early warning system of detection. Yonish says the department is always testing for avian flu and other poultry diseases.
We're always monitoring, and sometimes you have a detection, and when you do, then the Indiana State Board of Animal Health and the United States Department of Agriculture assist in responding to those particular diseases.
Yonish says many lessons were learned after the 2015-2016 outbreak, and biosecurity is crucial in preventing the spread.
Being very conscious about when you're moving from outside of a barn to the inside of the barn, like how you make sure your hands are clean, your boots are clean, you're not in any way introducing virus into the barn.
Yonish says there is an impact on the supply of poultry because of the disease, but they are doing their best to provide poultry products and keep them safe.
Whether there's a disease incident going on or not, as always, you need to handle and prepare your poultry and poultry products properly.
To help prevent the spread even further, Yonish cautions people not to allow any flocks to have contact with wild birds. Keep them away from bird feedings or water. Rondrell, back to you.